There are a number of ways Microsoft are keeping your devices safe thanks to Windows Security, Windows Firewall, and now Microsoft Defender. But what actually is Microsoft Defender, and how is it going to keep me, my family, and my devices safe whilst online? Thankfully, that's what I'm going to be answering in today's video. Drop the titles and let's begin. Hola, I'm Christian, and today we're talking defense tactics with Microsoft Defender app. Everyone deserves to feel safe online. Securing your personal data and devices is more challenging than ever. Increasing malicious threats, more time online, and many connected personal devices can leave us feeling vulnerable. To give you an idea, 33 million consumers were victims of cybercrime in 2020, and of these, 55 million suffered identity theft. Pretty scary, right? So Microsoft are doing their part to try and help prevent this, and the Microsoft Defender app is another layer of added protection. But what actually is Microsoft Defender, and how does it differ from security that I already have on my Windows 11 device? The Microsoft Defender app is designed to protect your devices online. It combines the power of your device's current security with one easy-to-use dashboard, so you can check how secure you are from one place. Microsoft Defender is included with Microsoft 365 Family or a personal subscription and works across multiple devices. Now, if you have a Windows 11 device, you will already have Windows Security on there. Windows Security, formerly known as Windows Defender Security Center, is an app built into Windows. That's a mouthful. It includes Microsoft Defender Antivirus, an antivirus tool that helps protect your PC against viruses, ransomware, and malware. The name Defender is obviously incredibly popular when Microsoft talk about keeping your devices secure. What this means is you do not need a Microsoft 365 subscription to protect you against those online nasties that come with working online with your Windows device. So how does Microsoft Defender add the extra layer of protection? As mentioned earlier in this video, Microsoft Defender works with your existing antivirus protection, whether that be Windows Security or another antivirus provider, and displays the information within the dashboard. From the dashboard, you can quickly check the security status of your device, review any security alerts from the last 30 days, and see what Windows security settings are currently active. You can also stay ahead of hackers and scammers and stay safer online thanks to real-time notifications, security tips, and expert guidance that gives you easy-to-follow recommendations. In the dashboard, you also have the ability to control what is scanned by identifying trusted apps and files. It also allows one person to check all the attached devices so the rest of the family can keep surfing and doing what they do best, while one person can look after it all. In my house, that's my job. What about all those other devices though? Well, Microsoft Defender works to provide additional device protection on your Android, iOS, and Mac devices. You can have a maximum of 4 devices on your dashboard at one time. Sounds pretty cool, right? But this is just the start. As you grow your digital footprint by adding family members and devices, Defender grows with you and keeps your devices up to date using trusted technologies. If Microsoft Defender does find malware on any of your devices, either during a manual scan, a scheduled scan, or with its real-time protection feature, it'll let you know and tell you what actions, if any, it was able to take to protect you. In most cases, Defender will be able to block the malware, and in some cases, it may need you to approve a final action such as deleting or quarantining the malicious file. Many of the digital attacks we see though are through harmful websites that try to trick you into revealing personal information such as usernames and passwords, credit cards, and other account information, or installing malware on your system. Microsoft Defender will check links that you or an app on your device open to try and spot any that may be dangerous. It does this by checking links that you click on or that an app tries to open on your device and compares them against a constantly updated list of sites known to be dangerous. That means if you are on your way to a site that it knows to be dangerous, it will warn you. Now you have the knowledge about how Microsoft Defender is going to keep you and your family safer online. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe to Expert Zone UK and I will see you soon for another video. Ciao!